Hello friends, my name is Amit. You're watching Every Tech Matters, and in today's video I will share with you how you can change the daylight saving time settings for your Casio digital watch. I'm doing this for GA-100 model, but I'm sure that other Casio watches having DST options will also follow a similar procedure. So this GA-100 model has got dual time zone settings, so you can see that the time zone that is being shown by the hour and the minute hand over here is different than what you can see as the digital time over here. So this is a local Delhi time, as I'm based in Delhi, and the one you can see over here I've set this as London time. Today is 27th of March and daylight saving time has switched today, so it has changed from GMT to BST, and you can see that 27th of March is there, but the time difference between London and Delhi time is 5.5 hours, whereas it should be 4.5 hours. So on the left side you see that there are two buttons over here, two metallic buttons, and the center button is of for making use of compass in this particular model. And on the right again we see two buttons over here, one is used for the light and other for multiple different purposes. For example, if I'm over here in London and I want to switch to another city, I can use this button. But if you want to know about the features of this watch, just let me know in the comment section or hit a like, and I'll know that I'll create a dedicated video about the features of this watch. I've been using this watch for I think around 7 to 8 years now. I'm very happy, especially because it shows me dual time zone, which is very useful when I'm working for my office. So what you need to do is, now you need to put the digital so for you to change the daylight saving time settings, what you need to do is you need to put on the digital the city for which you need to change the DST. You can see that below you are only seeing the time, you are not seeing any symbol saying DST. And on the left side, on the top button, this metallic button, you need to just press and keep it pressed, and just look at what happens. So you see that the time has moved forward by 1 hour, so 8:28 suddenly became 9:28, and DST symbol also is what you can see over here. So that is how you can simply switch this DST on. And once again, if you want to change it back on the winters, you'll have to change again the DST settings. So you just press that again, and you can say that the watch has changed by 1 hour. So that's all. It is very simple and very easy to do, and that's the beauty of this watch. This is very well built watch. I had to change the strap once, but other than that, the regular service of this has made sure that I've been using this for years. Again, if you want a full review, let me know in the comment section, and I'll create one video dedicated for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on like, subscribe my channel for more such informative videos. I'll be back with another video soon. Till then, have a great time.